Hello, and welcome to the NVT Phybridge CCMT informational video series. My name is Nico, and today we will be looking at null configs and how to set up a null config on your CCMT client. For starters, what is a null config? A null config, or otherwise known as a config template, is a standard preset configuration that can be uploaded to quickly update managed switches to a simple preset configuration. This can be helpful by eliminating the need to reconfigure devices as extensively when having to configure multiple switches, since we're setting up a foundation for these configurations through the null config. In order to set up a null config, we will first log into the CCMT server. From the All Devices page, we can click to the top right to find the null config button. Once we are at the null config page, we can use the Download Data button, which will allow us to download a template in Excel that we can modify to be our null config. We will also be able to modify the uploaded data before we can apply the configuration on the device. Once we have the necessary config modifications, we can detect the available devices that we can import the null config. Note that this will require a serial console connection, so make sure to select the appropriate COM port when doing so. Now that we have detected our device and have modified the null config, we can press the Apply button to import our new null config to the managed switches. After successfully applying a null config, you will be free to disconnect the serial console cable from the device, and proceed to add any additional switches you would like to apply a null config to. Thank you again for watching the NVT Phybridge CCMT null config informational video. We hope this video series as a whole is beneficial in managing your IP network, and we hope you have a wonderful day.